Hey everyone, and welcome to this video where I am going to give you my top 2 KDP niches for Q4. As we have some events Q4 coming up like Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas, so we will try to work uh, with this type of niche from now. So I will upload regularly video under this type of niche. So I request you to watch my each video carefully from start to end, and you will research the niche what I have given you and work on your own way. Then you can learn something new and generate good earnings. So if you have watching my video for the very first time, so please do subscribe to my channel and share my video with your friends and family whoever is interested in passive income. So today we are discuss about Christmas niche, Christmas related niche like activity book, like activity book. So our first niche is the big Hanukkah and Christmas activity book for kids. So there is a search volume is 91. So obviously we can say this is a micro niche with a profitable niche. The big Hanukkah and Christmas activity book for kids. Here there is a 3 review and the BSR rank is 2 2,52,396. So we can check out the copyright and trademark at the same time as we do the niche research. So we can check copyright and we can check trademark. Notice records are found and to match the criteria. So this is a micro niche and there is no trademark, so you can work this project safely. So our next niche is our next niche is Totally Merry Christmas Activity Book for Kids. So here you can see the search volume is 43. So there is another good micro niche. Here there is a already 8 review. So obviously we can say this is a very profitable niche for us, and we can check out this trademark and copyright. no trademark. So there is another safe niche, so you can try this niche totally Merry Christmas activity book for kids. So uh, I think personally I think this is a really good niche to get into, uh, earn more revenue from Amazon KDP. So as I say, if you make good quality cover and good quality manuscript and choose profitable keywords and upload this book on Amazon KDP, then you can earn revenue from these two books. So if you have liked my video, please do subscribe to my channel and like, comment and share my video. Thank you so much. Thank you all.